The Korean Association of Uganda today organized a seminar to equip non-government organizations with knowledge on citizenship and tax matters. The seminar was held in Kampala at the Korean Embassy, and this attracted experts from the Directorate of Citizenship and Immigration Control, NGO Bureau, and tax experts. This began with presentation from attendees showcasing what they do, with some calling for cooperation to foster swift development.
We have started a new project called SDC. SDC is a Sustainable Design Center in Kampala. We are also training the sewing machine skill to the ladies, but after the training session, we also training the ladies design thinking process, also the branding and also entrepreneurship process to getting them some more self-confidence.
Who is registered in Uganda. We have a very good rapport with Uganda Revenue Authority and officials. So anywhere you stuck for, even for not only for Uganda Revenue Authority context, but with URSP, with NGO board, we'll be happy to be a link between the NGO board and the regulatory bodies.
I am a team leader of a small boutique firm called Net Worth Associates, which is composed equally of tax lawyers and tax accountants, and we help taxpayers to minimize their tax liabilities in a legally acceptable way.
We need to meet ourselves and make our synergies work together so that we all prosper in the efforts by bringing immigration, by bringing NGO board and the business community. We all work together.
Among the invited guests were experts from the Directorate of Citizenship and Immigration Control, who highlighted their mandate but also urging compliance with the law.
If you've lived in the country legally for a period of 10 years or more, and you feel that you want to become a citizen of Uganda and you're ready to renounce your current nationality, and then you can submit the application under citizenship registration. Then there's dual citizenship. If Korea allows dual citizenship, and then you can also submit your application for dual, as long as you have met the mandatory requirements, and one of it is you should have lived in the country legally for a period of 10 years on work permits, certificate of residence, or dependents pass on the spouse.
Also, the NGO Bureau representatives advised members to avoid using middlemen, but rather reach out to the respective offices physically.
People are using lawyers to say we shall get you a passport in this time, and actually you don't need all that. All you need to go is to their website, fill it in, and that's it, and then you follow whatever comes up. So at NGO Bureau, unless you know this lawyer very well, because we don't have like a list and say these are the certified practicing lawyers that are good at maybe registering NGOs. We don't have them. So we advise you to come to the NGO Bureau and then we guide you.
Relatively, there was a presentation from a tax expert who touched into tax exemptions to charitable organizations. Members were urged to consider what the law suggests other than considering shortcuts.
Oftentimes, two things usually merge with NGOs. Either they become a charitable organization but also carry on a profitable venture which is not necessarily for the entire benefit of the organization. So it crosses from being a charitable organization to actually a business. You cannot do both. You can't do both. The law is very clear, the cases have decided that. Secondly, for you to be income tax exempt, you must have a written ruling.
We spoke to Chung Soo Kim, who was at the core of organizing the seminar. He notes that this event is to help educate key players, mostly those that migrate to Uganda, about the law in Uganda, since most of them are immigrants.
As an expatriate living in Uganda, the immigration law and the NGO Bureau law and tax law is one of the most difficult and important tasks for us to peacefully live in this country. Therefore, as an organization, Korean Association Uganda, helping the Koreans in Uganda, even beyond other nationalities in Uganda, and helping those people